Have you ever wondered about the diverse physical features of India? India, a land of striking geographical contrasts, is as multifaceted as its culture. From the towering heights of the majestic Himalayas that guard its northern frontier, to the lush green northern plains that form the country's agricultural heartland, down to the peninsular plateau, a region of undulating hills and river valleys, which gives way to the arid expanses of the Indian desert, the wind-swept coastal plains, and the picturesque islands. Each of these physical features, in their own unique way, contribute to the rich biodiversity and cultural diversity of the country. They shape the lives of its people, influencing everything from agriculture to art and from cuisine to celebration. India, with its varied physical features, is like a beautiful mosaic, each piece more intriguing than the last. So, are you ready to explore? Join us as we embark on a journey to explore these features in detail. The majestic Himalayan mountains, a natural barrier and a source of awe and wonder. Stretching across 5 countries and standing tall as the planet's highest mountain range, the Himalayas serve as a geographical marvel in the northern fringe of India. They house 9 of the world's tallest peaks, including Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. The Himalayas are not just about their breathtaking heights. They are divided into 3 parallel ranges, each with its unique features. The Greater Himalayas, also known as the Himadri, consist of the highest peaks, with elevations over 23,000 feet. The Lesser Himalayas, or Himachal, are renowned for their mesmerizing hill stations and abundant wildlife. Lastly, the Outer Himalayas, also known as the Shivaliks, are known for their rich fossil presence. These ranges play a critical role in shaping India's climate, serving as a barrier against the cold Arctic winds. They are also a source of many perennial rivers that feed the fertile plains of India. The Himalayas, truly a testament to the power of nature. Moving away from the mountains, we reach the fertile northern plains. This expansive flat region stretches across the northern and eastern part of India, cradled between the Himalayas and the peninsular plateau. The northern plains are fed by 3 major rivers, the Ganges, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra. These rivers, with their numerous tributaries, form a vast network, enriching the soil and making it one of the most fertile lands in the world. Agriculture is the mainstay of this region, which is often referred to as the granary of India. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, and cotton are some of the major crops grown here. The northern plains also support a large population due to their fertile soil and abundant water resources. Numerous cities, towns, and villages dot these plains, each with its unique culture and traditions. The northern plains, India's breadbasket and home to myriad cultures. Let's now travel to the heart of India, the Peninsular Plateau. Positioned in the southern part of the country, this expansive plateau was formed by the gradual breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land, shaping the land we see today. The Peninsular Plateau is split into 2 major parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands, a rolling plain located north of the Narmada River, boasts a rich variety of vegetation and wildlife. Moving southwards, we encounter the Deccan Plateau, a triangular landmass sloping towards the east and adorned by several hill ranges and rivers. What makes this plateau truly remarkable is its abundant mineral resources. From coal and iron to gold and diamond, the Peninsular Plateau is a miner's dream, contributing significantly to India's economy. This region, with its diverse landscapes and rich resources, is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. The Peninsular Plateau, a treasure trove of minerals and diverse landscapes. From the fertile plains and plateaus, we now move to the arid Indian desert. Situated in the western part of the country, this desert, also known as the Thar Desert, stretches over 4 states: Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat, and Haryana. Its climate is characterized by scorching summers and chilly winters, with scarce rainfall that shapes its unique ecosystem. Despite the harsh conditions, the Indian desert is home to a surprising range of flora and fauna. Hardy species like the cactus and acacia trees dot the landscape, while desert foxes and the great Indian bustard have adapted to thrive in this inhospitable terrain. But it's not just wildlife that has adapted to the desert. The region is rich in culture, with communities like the Rajputs and Marwaris calling it home. Their vibrant festivals, music, and dance forms add a splash of color to this otherwise barren landscape. The Indian desert, a testament to life's resilience in the harshest conditions. Let's now journey to the sun-kissed beaches of the coastal plains and the serene islands. As we head south, we find ourselves in the coastal plains of India, a region that stretches from the Western Ghats to the Eastern Ghats and is divided into two main parts, the Western Coastal Plains and the Eastern Coastal Plains. These plains, formed by the sediments deposited by rivers over thousands of years, offer a vibrant mix of landscapes, from flat terrains to lagoons, backwaters, and sandy beaches. The Western Coastal Plains, running along the Arabian Sea, are narrower and marked by a series of lagoons and backwaters, giving rise to a unique ecosystem. On the other hand, the Eastern Coastal Plains, fringing the Bay of Bengal, are broader and well irrigated by several large rivers, making them fertile and agriculturally rich. Speaking of rich, let's talk about the biodiversity. These coastal plains are home to a myriad of flora and fauna. From the mangrove forests of the Sundarbans, teeming with the majestic Royal Bengal tigers, to the bird sanctuaries hosting a plethora of avian species, the plains are a naturalist's dream come true. Now let's set sail for the islands. India boasts two major island groups, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Formed by volcanic activities and coral deposits respectively, these islands are a treasure trove of unique ecosystems. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, for instance, are home to the world's largest sea turtle, the leatherback, while the Lakshadweep Islands are known for their stunning coral reefs. Culturally and economically, these regions are of immense significance. The coastal plains and the islands are major tourist hotspots, contributing significantly to the economy. Moreover, they are a cultural melting pot, with a rich tapestry of languages, cuisines, and traditions that reflect India's diversity. From the sandy beaches to the tranquil islands, India's coastline is as diverse as it is beautiful. India, a land of geographical wonders. A country where the grandeur of the Himalayan mountains, the fertility of the northern plains, the ruggedness of the peninsular plateau, the arid beauty of the Indian desert, and the serene allure of the coastal plains and islands all coexist. Let's take a moment to reminisce about our journey through this vast and diverse land. We started with the Himalayan mountains, a majestic range that not only serves as a natural frontier but also affects the climate, contributing to the monsoon rains that are crucial for the country's agriculture. Moving south, we discovered the northern plains, a fertile belt that supports a significant portion of the country's population. Its rivers, particularly the Ganges, are the lifelines for millions, facilitating agriculture, transportation, and even spiritual practices. Further down, we encountered the Peninsular Plateau, a region known for its black soil, rich in minerals, making it ideal for cotton cultivation. This plateau, with its rolling hills and extensive forests, is also a haven for a diverse range of flora and fauna. Our journey then took us to the arid yet enchanting Indian desert. Despite its harsh conditions, it's home to a vibrant culture with unique traditions and crafts that have been passed down through generations. Lastly, we explored the coastal plains and the islands. These regions, blessed with beautiful beaches and rich marine life, are not just tourist hotspots, but also vital for fishing communities and the cultivation of crops like coconut and spices. In essence, these diverse physical features of India contribute to the country's rich biodiversity and cultural diversity. They shape the lives of the people, influencing their livelihoods, food, clothing, and traditions. They also play a significant role in the country's economy, from agriculture and fishing to tourism and mineral extraction. From the towering Himalayas to the serene islands, each physical feature tells a unique story about this incredible country. A story of resilience, diversity, and unending beauty that is India.